Good morning, YouTube. Kevin here with another motivational video. So it's been a long time since I recorded and videotaped anything and put it out there. I don't know why I stopped. Well, I did know why I stopped because it takes a lot of time and effort to do some of these videos, as some of you YouTubers probably know. But the reason I'm posting this stuff is to keep everybody updated on what's going on, especially with this crazy time in the world. This is the end of March, and the coronavirus has hit, or COVID-19 has hit the world like crazy. And it's kind of crazy as well because my spiritual journey started around the same time this happened. My spiritual journey started in December, and now it has migrated into COVID-19, which is spread throughout the world. So I have no clue what's happening. I wish I videotaped this more and I put my progress out there. I've been through a crazy transformation with meditation and my dreams, the real world, and learning. I'm still going full force on this. I read all the time I can. I introduced yoga as well recently. So it's a crazy situation that's happening. So I was doing my whole routine of good life. I was waking up at 3 o'clock in the morning, going to do my workouts, reading my books, and then I would go meditate. And during my meditation, I went through some crazy stuff. So it might be crazy to some people. It's still crazy to me just thinking about it. But about 3 weeks ago, so God's hand reached out of the clouds and touched my soul hands during a meditation, which was crazy. It still happened. It seemed like so long ago, but it was completely life-changing, I guess. The other thing was I saw a glimpse, like a little tiny piece of the brightest light I ever seen in my life. Just this tiny little piece, and then my whole upper part of my body started shaking, and in joy, like bliss, and it was crazy as well. Then in the car, I was thinking about stuff, and tears were coming down my face of joy, like blissful joy, and it's been like leaking and lip quivering and all that kind of fun stuff. So I've been that deep into meditation, and so even with my spiritual journey, and I write everything in my journal, so everything is still documented, but not through YouTube, which I wish I did throughout the whole thing, so I could just say what's going on. I probably will go back and forth throughout those 3 months until now to just bring back memories. My dreams. I watched Inception for the 3rd time, and this time I actually got it. I understood it, and I've been going through crazy dreams as well. This weekend I dreamed about 6, 7, 8 dreams, maybe documented. It's kind of crazy though. Like, I documented everything. I had magical spells, being enchanted forests and relics and all that kind of stuff. So that has been crazy. Everything's been crazy when you think about it. Like, who does this kind of stuff, and where does it come from? Doctor Strange is kind of my hero, and I always told people I want to be like Doctor Strange, and I think it's possible, all that stuff. And I'm learning it, and it's in my dreams now, so I think it's possible. So I have to explore that. So that's what's going on in my life right now too. I went into I was dreaming, and then I went into a dream of a dream, and I was able to control that dream, but I couldn't control the first dream. So then, that's what I'm going through as well. I met some people that's going through the same kind of thing, who's done spells and all that kind of stuff. So You could be afraid of this, but if you have good intentions, I only have good intentions. I realize that karma will hit you if you don't have good intentions, and it always will. So no matter what you do, if it's not good, or if you're doing bad things are going to happen to you, and that's what I believe in, and that's what's going to happen. So that's what I'm afraid of. But actually getting into all this stuff is not something I'm afraid of. I have the judgment now and the discernment to, I know that I can judge the situation based on my past experiences, if that makes any sense too. So everything I do makes complete sense to me. So it might not seem like I'm just saying what is on my mind. So hopefully this all does make sense to you as well. So right now my whole routine's changed up. 2 weeks now, Good Life has closed its doors. I don't know when it's going to be open, so I've been trying a new routine. I'm trying to get into it. I'm getting there. I'm getting back into my meditations as well. I was set in my meditations. My routine was perfect, and I was in an awesome meditation. Like, I was in the universe every time. I was traveling through my third eye every single time I was going through these meditations, and I would travel the universe, and sometimes I would just go into nowhere and I would just get out of it. But then sometimes I would go to different universes and see different things and see like fantasies, I guess, with money and all that kind of stuff. It's been a crazy time, and that's the only thing I could say right now. It's crazy and weird, and it's like unbelievable, and it's still going. So with this COVID-19 being around, my spiritual journey has slowed down a little bit, but I feel like it's still there, and I can't give up on this. I pray every day to God that this doesn't end, and I just want to keep learning every single day. I don't want to stop learning. So people are kind of asking what I believe in and what religion. I'm so Christian now. Why am I reading all these books? But I'm not any religion. I think all religions are the same thing. It's just based on different cultures, and it's explained in different ways so different people can get it. But in the end, everyone's explaining the same thing, and that's what I don't understand is why all this fighting and war and my God is better than your God kind of thing. It doesn't make any sense to me, because there is only one God. And it depends, you don't even have to call it God, because I don't think God can even know what we're saying. God feels our vibration. So the way we're talking about it, the way we're dealing with it, is what God feels. They call it the universe. God could be a guy, God could be a girl. I don't think, you could picture anything you want, but as long as you have that picture in your head, then that's what you have to base everything on. So yes, my teachings and I talk to a ton of people now. Before I was telling people on this video that I don't have a lot of people to talk to, and I was lonely, but my life has completely changed in 3 months. And it can only get better. So with this COVID-19 also, things are being destroyed. Work, me and the boss are kind of falling out about different religions and stuff, but like I said, I only believe in one God, no religions. So that's what's going on. The other thing, my transmission blew in my car, and luckily, well, it's not by chance, God put this already in my life, that this girl does drive me back and forth to work, and she lives 5 minutes away from me, and she loves it, and I put gas for her, and everything kind of worked out that way too. So magical things are working out in my favor. I believe nothing bad can happen to me. Everything happens for a reason, but it happens for a good reason in my life. There's no bad reason, and I'm finding the goods. I find the positives in all the negative stuff that technically is happening, but it's not negative in my life. Where am my dream board is still. This is all materialistic stuff that will come soon. I'm figuring out how to manifest all this stuff in my life. The only reason is because I never had anything in my life. I'm only poor, and like I have to experience the good, right? I need to know that I can do this manifestation thing, and I can manifest anything I want, not based on anything I need. Like I don't. What? Technically, why do you need a big bedroom like this? Like, how much can you sleep? Like, how big can this bed be? And this mansion. It's me and my daughter right now. I do want to invite people over, and I want to explain to them. I want them to stay with me, and I want them to know that anyone could do this. Coming from nothing can be something. So that's why I kind of want a big house, to have people over and have dinners and, experience a community, but on my own. Like I don't know if that makes any sense, but that's what I kind of want with my stuff. Kaylee's bedroom, I want a huge bedroom for her so she could invite her friends and have some fun too. This is a materialistic Marvel thing. I have all the pops, I have all the decorations and stuff. I just need a room, I guess, so I could just enjoy it. But at the same time, like people say, when you get spiritual, you're not supposed to look at the materialistic stuff. But God wants love. God wants abundance in your life, and He wants happiness. Not He, but God wants happiness. Sorry. That's what I believe in. God wants everything for you. You just have to know where to get it. You have to have faith in what you're asking for, and just know it's going to be provided. And it's simple. So, with this whole spiritual journey, I love it. With the whole COVID-19, I do love it. If you read Conversation with God, you'll understand more about why I'm saying this. But it's about souls don't die, our bodies do, and we just keep going from body to body, trying to experience Earth and trying to remember who we are. And I'm getting to the point where I'm remembering my soul. So it's exciting for me. Unfortunately, with this COVID-19, people are gonna die. It is old people. Okay, so before anybody goes all crazy, our point of living on this earth is to die. That's known. So if we're dying somehow, we're dying somehow we're dying. So COVID-19 is taking away people. It's taking away a lot of good people, and it's taking away people who have run their human life through, and the soul is ready to go on to another challenge to experience the world. So that's why it's kind of nice, not in the death way. So that's the negative. That's the worst thing that's happening right now with COVID-19. All these good things are happening. The universe is getting back to Earth. Mother Nature is getting back to normal. Big corporations I see falling. The true nature of people are coming out now, and you see the evil people, the people who hoard all this stuff, who doesn't want to share anything, and you see the niceness of most people, and that is what we're supposed to experience. And all the good stuff is still coming. This is just the beginning, I think. There's no way with the government and corporations and stuff. It's still money driven, and until we shut everything down, healthcare, like everything, and until we shut everything down, this is not going to stop spreading. And as much as we do, it's still doubling every day throughout the whole world, until we get locked up. And you don't know how long this is going to take now, because it's spreading so much. We should have done this a long time ago. We should have shut this down. I talked to a lot of people about this, and we all agree, if we shut everything down, it wouldn't have spread so far. I live in Canada, so it's just kind of starting here, but I'm still working. So I think we have to shut everything down, and then Mother Nature will heal and then we could go back out and start it over in the right way with the right spiritual leaders leading us instead of this corrupt government. Does that all make sense to you? Anyways, I have to go to work or something. I should do something. I took 15 minutes. So if you guys are watching this, please stay tuned. I'm gonna update you guys every day again, and I just want to keep updating where my life is going as well on a spiritual journey. So in case I can't communicate with everybody what's happening, I could show people these videos. So please guys, have an excellent day. Concentrate on yourself on this downtime if you have the downtime. Focus on yourself. Don't focus on anyone else. There's a ton of training, free books that's all over the place. Read some books, watch informative YouTube videos, and just keep going with life. Guys, love you. Have a great day. Okay, bye.